Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are coming at you with a very exciting video. Today we are hosting the first giveaway of 2019. We know a lot of you are missing our books and we are working really hard to bring them back in stock as soon as possible. But in the meantime, as a token of appreciation for your love and support and patience, we are giving away one entire set of the ASAP law books for English, Hindi and general knowledge. So if you've been waiting around for these books, this is the perfect time for you to score an entire set for you. All you have to do to win this giveaway is follow our rules, and the rules are very simple. Number 1, you must be subscribed to our channel, which is the ASAP Law channel. Number 2, you have to leave a comment, and this comment has to have 2 parts. A, tell us how did you find our channel, how did you find ASAP Law? And B, tell us what is it that keeps you hooked to ASAP Law. What is it that you enjoy in our channel? What is it that you want to see more of? Understanding what you like and what you want to see helps us create content towards your liking, for your liking. So that's all you have to do to participate in this giveaway. This giveaway is open till the 15th of March. Make sure you follow both the rules to enter into this giveaway. We hope that you enjoyed this set of books, and again, we are so thankful and grateful for your love, patience and support. Good luck, and we'll see you soon.